morning, students. Once again, welcome to you in DSS online classes. Myself, Saroj Srivastava, and today I am going to start exercises from chapter 5, Seeds and Seeds. Students, in this video, we will discuss about fill in the blanks, MCQ question, and true and the false. So let's start the topic. First exercise is fill in the blanks. Students, first fill up is here. Gopal was waiting for his dash 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 family to visit them. Student, if you read the book, all of you fill easily. Go, Gopal was waiting for his मौसी फैमिली टू विजिट देम. वहाँ पे उसकी मौसी आ रही थी, इसलिए उसका वो इंतज़ार कर रहा था. नाउ सेकेंड, देयर आर सम प्लांट विच डैश 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 एंड ईट फ्रॉग इंसेक्ट एंड इवन डैश. देयर आर सम प्लांट विच ट्रैप एंड ईट frog, insect, even mice. All of you know pitcher plant is a insectivorous plant. They eat frog, insect, etc. Now third fill up is here. The pitcher plant found in dash 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 in India. If you read the book, all of you know answer easily. Meghalaya is the state where pitcher plant found in India. So you fill here Meghalaya. Now number 4. One day dash 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 come back home from a walk with his dog. Charles de Mistral. Now 5 number. Some plants dash their seed over long distance. Some plants spread their seed over long distance. Now 6. Velcro was discovered by dash dash dash. All of you know who invented Velcro? Velcro invented by D. George Mistral. 7 dash dash dash. Seeds is good for health. What is good for health? Sprouted seeds. Sprouted seed is good for our health. Now number 8. Seed require dash 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 to sprout. What is the things required for seed sprout? All of you know air, water and warmth require for a seed to sprout. So all of you fill here air, water and warmth. Now students, multiple choice question means MCQ question. Students, here given some option and all of you choose right option. So first multiple choice question is here. Discovered Velcro. All of you know who invented Velcro. Your option is given here. Option A, George de Mestral. Option B, George Trail. And option C, none of these. So your right option is here, George de Mestral. So you should trick option A. Now second question is here. What is condition required a seed to sprout? All of you know very well. Air, water and warmth require a seed to sprout. So your right option is here, all of these. Now third MCQ question is here. By which agent coconut seed dispersed? When you saw the video dispersal of seed, all of you know very well coconut seed dispersed by water. So here given option air, water and animals. So your right option is option B, water. So all of you should choose option B. Now question 4. Pitcher plant is example of dash dash plant. All of you know pitcher plant is a insectivorous plant. Here given some option. Option A tree, B cactus plant, and option C insectivorous plant, and option D none of these. So all of you should choose words. Option C. Option C is your right option. Insectivorous plant. Pitcher plant is a insectivorous plant. Now, question number 5. In which state India pitcher plant is found? Here given some option. Option A Uttar Pradesh, option B Bihar, option C Meghalaya, and option D all of these. All of you know very well. In Meghalaya, pitcher plant found in India. Now students, here given some statement. All of you write T for true and F for false. Here is given first statement. Seeds are different shape, size, color and texture. All of you know all seeds have different shape and size. So this is true. Now second, some plant may grow without seed. Yes, some plants like hibiscus are go without seeds. So this is true. You should write here T. Now third, dispersal of seed is not essential so that the baby plant gets enough space, air and light. This is false because each plants have needs enough space, air and light to grow. Now question 4. Tomato and green chili come from South America. This statement is true because when you see our previous video, all of you know green chili and tomato come from South America. So this is true. Now fifth statement, on soaking a seed, it expands in size. This is true. When you do activity sprouted, all of you saw the size of gram is expand when they soak in the bowl. So this is true. Hope all of you understood very well. Have a nice day.